Hi, good day. Welcome to Play Drums the easy way. Alright, so we're gonna continue with another drum beat, okay? And it's one of those drum beats that was actually kind of created in the 90s, and it really added a very strong bass, to the whole to soca. Alright, and so it is still being used today. Alright, so let's go. We're gonna go with that, and you're gonna see exactly how that's done. So that one starts with double beat on the bass drum. 1, 2, 3, 4. It goes. Hi-hat. Snare. Did you get it? Let's go again. Alright, so that's one of them. Okay, we're going in the next video, we're going to improvise and we're going to add on some more to it. Alright, hi again. So we're going to continue from the last video. We're going to continue on this other soca beat or this Caribbean beat. Alright, so this was where we left off, and we're actually going to be improvising. 1, 2, 3. So thank you so much for joining. All right, Play Drums the easy way. Remember to subscribe, to like, all right, and look forward for the next video. Yeah. Welcome, drummers all over the world. I want to thank you so much for joining. I also want to big up that drummer from Ireland. You know, he keeps following me and keep, you know, just saying thanks. Want to big you up, and big you up all the others. All right, all of you who have subscribed, you know, to this channel. Want to say thank you so much. All right, all gratitude. Okay, so we want to continue, you know, on this drumming journey. Okay, and I could remember where I started. All right, I started as a young person, you know, used to go to church, well, still go to church, and we as a young people used to go on a Saturday evening to just prepare, you know, the sanctuary or the church, you know, for worship on a Sunday. And so the drum set would be there, I'd clean on the drum set, and I would jump on the drum set and do a little thing. And I could remember that one of the very first songs, you know, that I played, okay, after I learned to play drum just a little, was this song called Amazing Grace, How Sweet the Sound. It goes something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound, that saved someone like me. Yeah, I once was lost, but now I'm found. I was blind, but now I see. So fill it up. That was one of the very first songs, you know, that I played and sing, you know, way back then. Play and sing it at the same time. So yeah, so your gift can be endless. You can not only play drum, but probably sometimes you might be a rapper. You can do different things. You can combine both of them together. All right, so I want to say thank you so much again, you know, for joining me on this drumming journey. Blessings, blessings, blessings. Yeah. All right, welcome, all you drummers out there. All right, those of you who have been learning, those of you who want to learn, all right, probably those of you who have been looking at this channel for the very first time. Thank you so much for joining. All right, blessings, blessings, blessings. So today what we're going to be looking at is we're going to be playing soca, but instead of playing here, just 8 notes on the hi-hat, we're going to bring it from here. Right, we're gonna do it like that. So we're gonna up things a bit. All right, so are you ready? Yeah, if you're ready, all right, just show me some lights. Okay, just show me some lights. So let's go. So this was where we this is what it sounds like before. Right, so we're gonna be taking it from up here now. Step 1, okay? Look for the other video for step 2, where this is concerned. Thank you so much. Remember to like, subscribe, to share this video with as much friends as possible. Beautiful. Welcome to Play Drums the Easy Way. All you drummers out there in drumming world, let's go. All right, we're going to be looking at part 2 of playing soca, okay, with 16 notes. All right, from before we were playing with 8 notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and improvise 1 and a 3 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 3 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and. Open your hi-hat. Go. Right. That was the first one. So we're going to improvise now, okay, on the snare. So let's go. Let's go with it slow. So it. Right? Right. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So let's keep going, let's keep going, let's keep going. No stopping, no stopping. All right, until you achieve your goals, drummers. All right, so thank you for liking, subscribing, and for sharing. Woo! I feel the vibes, I can feel the vibes, I can feel the vibes. See you in the next video. Hi, 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 everyone out there. Blessings, blessings, blessings. Big up, and respect. All right, from all the way in the island of Jamaica. All right, so we're looking at Caribbean beats. Okay, and so what we're gonna do now, I showed you step 1 and step 2. So in this one, I'm gonna show you step 1, 2, and 3. So we're gonna start off with step 1, then put step 2 on it, and then we're gonna jump to step 3. So if there's a step 4, we'll run into it also. So let's go. Step 1. That was step 1, 2, 3. All right, and I also included a step 4. Thank you for joining again today. Okay, blessings on top of blessings on top of blessings. Thank you so much for joining. Yes? All right, so let's continue. All right, let's continue. So we're going to continue looking at soca. All right, so it's the next one also. So this is how it will sound playing 8 notes, right? Next video, we're going to look at playing the same beat, playing 16 notes. All right. Beautiful. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. Boys, girls, all of you out there. Men, women, all of you are learning to play drums. All right? You want to learn to play drums the easy way and looking at some Caribbean beats. Okay, so in this one, we were playing in the last beat using 8 notes. Now we're going to be using 16 notes. Alright, so we're going to discard that one. Alright? Alright. That's enough for now.